gonna build a chicken coop. We started a little late here on the filming. So we got a base here. I got my dad over here helping us. Some materials here. We're gonna use some corrugated plastic for the roof. Abby's here hanging out. It's gonna be 6 by 12. I'm not gonna go into too many details today because we just don't have time. So we're gonna time lapse the build. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, so here we are, about a third or halfway through the build. Got the primary structure built a little gate entrance. This will be the human gate. There'll be another door at the other side, and then a platform in here. So we're planning to build a platform about 24 off the ground, 24 inches. And then on the other side, there'll be another little folding down door with the nesting boxes. And yeah, so we're gonna build that now. I'm gonna get ready to build the other half, and then we'll enclose it. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun build. So it's been about 4 or 5 days. Haven't gotten any work done on the coop. Dina and I painted it, and then I got sick like the next day. So I was out for like 2 or 3 days, and then was just busy working and stuff. So today's gonna be a challenging day. I actually have to get this out of the garage. And the issue is that it is slightly taller than the door tracks and the door when the door's open. We knew this when we built it, but as you can see, yeah, that's gonna be an issue. So I have to basically turn this on its side and then push it out somehow. Okay, let's take you on a little tour of what's about to go down here. So, we have rope from top of coop to truss, and then from truss out to here. I am gonna tip the coop over. I'm definitely nervous. I hope nothing goes wrong. I really hope nothing goes wrong. I'm pretty sure that truss is strong enough. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Nothing went wrong yet. I'm still really nervous. Now I'm at that point where I need to find the spot where it actually wants to go down. Kind of just stuck here. I have to just keep working the bottom out until it wants to drop. Hopefully it doesn't slam. We'll try to avoid that. Pretty much floating now. There's one wheel on the ground. It's no longer even touching the wall. Yeah, it's working, so let's finish this up here. Okay, we did it. We got it down. Nothing bad happened. Wow, it's on its side. I can't believe we did that. Oh my goodness, now I gotta get it out the garage. Awesome, and it didn't break. Cool. Hey, so thanks for sticking around for the video so far. So some of you may have come here hoping for step-by-step instructions as to how to build this coop. So unfortunately, I couldn't do that because we had to get our flock into this coop. They were just outgrowing the little space we had them in. So we just didn't have the time to put a video together where we could do step-by-step instructions of this. It adds a lot of time to the build, to set up the cameras and all the scripting and all that stuff. So instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm creating plans for this coop that'll be available for purchase on Etsy. Wait, why aren't the plans free? So I'm gonna be charging a few dollars for the plans. There's a couple reasons for this. The main reason is that it takes me hours of my time to draw them, put them together. I have to pay for the software that I use to draw these plans. I went to school for architecture and have been drawing plans professionally for about 10 years now. So you're gonna be getting a good product if you buy these plans. I'm gonna list out all of the materials and tools you're gonna need to build this coop. So if you're really interested in building this coop, I would really, really appreciate it if you went on Etsy and purchased our plans. Obviously, you're free to modify them as you like. If you do modify the plans and you build this coop and make any changes to it, I would love to see what you built. So send me a message if you end up building one. Maybe you post it on YouTube, maybe on Instagram or other social media platforms. So send me your pictures. I'd love to see what you built if you did build this. So anyways, let's get back to the video. Thanks for sticking around this long. Again, I'd really appreciate it if you did buy our plans. It would really support us and our channel. So thanks a lot. Let's get back to the video. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by and watching this build video. If you want to see the tour of this chicken coop, I'll put a video here on the left side of the screen that you can click on so you can watch the tour. Thanks again for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time by the channel. We'll see you in the next one.